Hello, my name is Martin. Can you please tell me your age?
Hello, my name's Jackie. Are you related to Max?
Hello, my name's Kim. What war were you in?
Hello, my name's Max. Can you tug on my shirt and also say hello?
Hello, my name's Caitlin. Did you ever live here?
Hello, my name's Ross. Could you sit on the seat down there and tell me your age, please?
Hi, I'm Becky. Love for you to step forward and say something into this machine. Be so cool. Okay.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Henry, are you still around in the room?
Hi, I'm Emily. Was there a fire in this place once?
Hello, my name is James. Can you tell me what job you done?
Hello, it's Martin again. Can you please tell us your name?
Hello, it's Jackie. Did you die at the age of 12?
Hello, it's Kim. Pass.
Hello, it's Max. Can you tell me how you died?
Hello, it's Caitlin. Did you get hurt in any way?
Hello, it's Ross again. Could you tell me your job title, please?
Hi, it's Becky. Do you know you're dead?
I'll pass.
Do you want us to go upstairs?
Yeah, they do.
Hello again. Can you tell me how you died?